a video about thinking outside the box. So I'm at work and I haven't got enough oven space. One oven I'm cooking Yorkshire puddings in, so it needs to be up really high, and the other oven is on low because I need to cook some braising steak. So the thing is, I've got too much braising steak. I bought a big chunk of it and there's just too much of it. So what I've done in the past is I have fried off the braising steak, put it in the cooking liquor, and then put it in the hot cupboard. So this is where the plates are, and it keeps it warm and it also cooks it slower, guaranteed. But I've turned it up to 80 degrees and it's been in for what time did it go in? It went in at about 2 o'clock. It's now 5:30, so it's been in for 3.5 hours, and you can see that it's cooking. So let's just get a spoon. I'll just pause and we'll just get a spoon. I should have got a spoon before I started, shouldn't I? But no, I'll get a spoon and we'll just kind of show you how soft it is. Right, so I've lifted a little piece up out of the what we call it, out of the cooking juices, but as you can see, it's fork tender and almost cooked. Just needs a little bit. Actually, it's probably ready, but it could just do with a little bit longer. So think outside the box. This is for warming plates and keeping food warm, but also it cooks food as well if you want to cook something low and slow. So this is another thing. All right, okay. So we'll go over and have a look at this. I'll just pause again. So the fans in the kitchen need to be on for the gas to come on. So if the fans aren't on, the extraction, there is a fan sucking air in and there are fans sucking air out up there. Those both need to be on for the gas to work. If they're not on, or if they're not, there's dials on them, if they're not sucking enough air out and dragging enough air in, the gas doesn't work. So that button there. So that's kind of a little bit annoying, because if I wanted to cook something for a long time and I didn't want to be here, I'd have to have the gas on. But if I was cooking something low and slow, I could cook it in the hot plate. The hot plate doesn't run on gas, the hot plate runs on electricity. So I could put something in the hot plate, disappear off for the day, know that it's going to take 3 or 4 hours, and be perfectly fine in the hot cupboard, and then that would be that. So it would actually use less power because the gas wouldn't need to be on, and the electric from the fans wouldn't need to be on as well. And the fans use a lot more electricity than you would actually think. So just a short-ish video on thinking outside the box.